Hey everyone, Mark here. Today we're going to dive into something pretty exciting, the recent update of ChatGPT and search and what it means for Google and ASEO landscape. I've been doing some testing and finding out some things and wanted to share some fascinating insights for all of you. But first, if you're new here, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single one of our videos here. And also, please download the free AI checklist down below so you can do a lot of this yourself. And we walk through a lot of different things there. So as of February 5th, 2025, ChatGPT is now able to, for everyone in all regions that ChatGPT is available, you can actually search without signing up. So this is going to change everything, the way we do things. My generation, I'm an older gentleman, and we always say just Google it. Well, that's going to go away as the younger generation comes along. And actually, I'm finding that I'm searching a lot more with the AIs. It may not be ChatGPT, but it may be another one that actually does this. So let's take a look and see, compare some things between Google and ChatGPT. Is this the death of Google? Might not be the death, but I think it's just going to change the way we look at things. So let's say, what is the current price of Apple stock? And we're going to go ahead and copy this. We're going to do the same exact message. So if I come in here and when I go over to Google and I hit the same exact thing, we have this graph with all this information in it, right? But if we come back to ChatGPT, it's pretty much the same output, which is a quick way of doing it due to this new search thing, right? I'm finding myself searching this way a lot more as well, using the different types of AI that's available. So what does this mean in the long run? Well, for some things, it's not going to change much. I know a lot of people will still be using Google, but a lot of people are starting to change toward the ChatGPT. Now, how does this affect affiliate sites? Let's say we go ahead and try searching best laptops for students. So this is something that an affiliate site might be targeting, right? I don't know if it should pull it up, right? So, but if I come over here to Google, right? Best laptops for students, and let that run. Of course, we have the e-commerce style stuff and then the sponsored, but then this is obviously a blog, right? We come into here, let's see what it has. Now, all of a sudden, it's telling you what they are set up a little bit differently. The Verge, Microsoft Surface laptop from LifeWire. So it's taking this directly from the websites. Now, what I can see happening is, there was a scandal recently about Honey. And what Honey was doing is robbing affiliates of their well-earned money. So they were basically going in and saying, hey, you can save with this key. And so you use that key and it changes out the cookie so that Honey is making the money rather than you as the affiliate that sent them there. So it was robbing that. And I can see ChatGPT and the other, I don't know if it's happening right now, but I could see that actually happening. But why would you go into these websites? You might go into them and read actually what they're saying, but okay, well, the Apple MacBook Air M3 is a great one. Okay, what else is out there? The Surface laptop. So it gives you a quick definition or a breakdown of what those are rather than, say, going into the 6 best laptops for college students. So it's taking away the traffic from the actual site and just dealing with it that way. As for e-commerce, it might be okay if you have an e-commerce site. So for example, let's say you're looking for men's shoes for sale. Again, this will take away the actual, let's see what happens. Yeah, Foot Locker goes straight to the things If you're looking for men's shoes in Los Angeles on sale, it tells me where they're at, where I can buy them. So e-commerce, I think it won't hurt you as bad as if you have so if I come here, men's shoes for sale into Google, and here's the e-commerce stuff again. So it'll be fine for the e-commerce or the brands like Nike, Puma, things like this. But I think overall, it's it's going to take a lot of the shopping from Google and move it to ChatGPT. That's really what I wanted to talk about today. So be careful about the direction you're going with any business that you have. Focus on your local businesses, that might work, but the actual affiliate sites are going to start going down the money. If I was just straight affiliate, I might get a little bit worried, but a lot of the money I make is doing other things and local business to business. That may still change, but we got to stay ahead of this wave. And I wanted to bring this up to everybody's attention today. And what do you think about these changes? Please comment below. Tell me what you think, what direction, what patterns do you see in the industry? And just let me know what your thoughts are. I think it's going to change the industry in general. I don't think SEO is dead. I think it's just changing. It always has been changing though, so don't get too scared about it. Okay, thanks for your time today.